Hello, friends. Festival time, and I've just today posted our upcoming exhibition dates, which is from 12th to 18th of September, and Ganesh Chaturthi would be in the middle on 14th of September. So every year during this Ganesh Chaturthi, or on the day of Ganesh Chaturthi, we start our exhibition. So let us be more you know. Uh, Happy about knowing the dates, and let's see how the exhibition gears up. And every day I'm showcasing new creations, new styles and new saris in all handcrafted level. So they're at Crafted. So I have named it as Festival Moods. So please do visit. 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. is the timings, and 12th to 18th September. Today, some ajraks for you. So this is a lovely ajrak sari, natural dye in kala cotton. Ajrak in kala cotton. The place where ajrak belongs to, the craft of ajrak belongs to Bhuj. The same place where this fabric belongs to, this textile belongs to, this yarn, kala cotton. Kala cotton is very specific to Bhuj. So this is the palla. This is the palla of the sari, and this is the body of the sari. This is the body, and the whole body has this kind of beautiful and a very unique print, block print, very unique and totally natural dye, soft and nice cotton, very smart, soft and nice cotton. And this is the lower lower pleats. These are the pleats, lower border, and that is the blouse piece. So this blouse piece can be used with 100 saris. I can actually say 100 of saris, because so many of us have these handloom colors and natural dye colors that these can be used with many saris. So this is a 7800, 7800. So this is the ajrak, ajrak natural dye. No, cotton's dikhao. Uh, I go to this our very own Jamdani, Tangail, Bengal Tangail weave. This is this Poddo Lota. Poddo is the lotus, and Lota is the vine. This lotus vine, if I put it in English, Poddo Lota in Bangla. So this is the palla. This is the palla where these lines, these woven lines are, you know, I think I'm working better with this backlight because that has been gifted by my very good friend, one of my very, very good friend. So this is the lotus vine border with this kind of a. So these are all our own styled ajrak saris. You will not get in many of the places, because this is all completely our customized design. So that's the border, this is the upper border, lower border. The whole body has this kind of longitudinal blocks. So that's the whole sari, and this is the whole getup of the sari. And so that is the lower border, and so that's the pleat part. So it's a very tall sari, as you can see. So that's the height, and that is the blouse piece. So how beautiful is the blouse piece, and how many saris this blouse piece will go, so this is the another sari. So this is priced at 7450. So that is one Poddulata ajrak natural dye. Another Poddulata ajrak in natural dye is this. This is a little lighter on the work. All the saris have different block prints. It is not the run-on-the-mill creations we do. So we all do very exclusive designer wear in handloom. There is no chammak chal about it. There is no zari sitara, sequin about it. But this is the very, very our own humble handloom. So this is the palla, that is the border, that is the upper border. So this sari has horizontal stripes. So the block print looks like this. Very, very beautiful. See, the difference is this is a white background, this has a colored background. So that's the alternate colors is coming. See how beautifully and artistically this has been placed. So that's the sari. And any festival, office wear, celebrations, anywhere you can wear these, and you will definitely stand out in the crowd. I get number of remarks from people where they say that absolutely remarkable, everyone is asking you about the about the saris they were wearing, from whom they have purchased and all that. So that's the blouse, that is the blouse piece. Okay, so that is 7450. Madurai cotton, handloom Madurai cotton, pure handloom Madurai cotton from Madurai. It's a women's cooperative from where I get these saris weave. You know, the sari gets woven there in Madurai from a handloom, so from a women's cooperative society, and that's the palla. That is the palla. Very striking and very simple, nice, smart palla because the body is so full. See how majestic is the body. You can just walk the ramp in this kind of a body of the sari. How, and since the gold zari border is there, so it gives you a very festive mood, and that is the sari. The whole sari has this soft like butter because the processing is all in natural dye. And so that's the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece, that's the blouse piece, and that is the sari with this geometric triangle blocks. 5700, 5700. Another Madurai cotton. I have only two Madurai cottons left with me now, so I'll be making more of them, but next season, not now, because the summers are getting over in Delhi. I mean, in the sense, the monsoon, after monsoon we would be experiencing nip in the air, and that will be the beginning of mild winter. So that's the another one. Gorgeous. See the palla, this is not a natural ajrak palla. We have given a beautiful dabu kind of a palla. This is a dabu kind of a palla with ajrak in the body, and all natural dye indigo, and this pomegranate peel and all that color combination. So that is the sari, and that is the blouse piece. So this blouse piece also goes with many. You can always wear it with this sari with a plain black blouse or a tissue blouse, and this blouse with many other things, and also with this sari. So that is also another sari. The whole body has this kind of look, the whole body has this kind of block. Stunning one. 5700. Another cotton. This is our most famous sari creation, like jamdani, handloom jamdani. In that we have, it's a khadi material, it's a khadi jamdani. In this we have done this ajrak. So the palla has this gorgeous getup. Palla has this gorgeous getup. Absolutely gorgeous korat pattern of weaving. Very traditional korat pattern of weaving. The whole sari has this. It's a big sari, very very nice for tall women. My height is average, but people much taller than me can go very well with this sari, because the sari has this lovely body print, this border, and that is the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece. Exquisite, absolutely exquisite. Price is 7450. We come to Tassar one. Tassar by cotton. This is sari is Tassar by cotton. Tassar on the warp and cotton on the weft. Tassar on the warp, cotton on the weft. So this is a Tassar by cotton sari, and also this is woven in Bengal. So this has a tangail border, beautiful satin border. Can you see? This is the weave. This is a weave. This is a satin weave. So this sari has a beautiful, and this is a, I mean, this is just fall on the body as as your body is like taking the shape of the body. It just falls like that. So that is a palla. That is the palla. Very very beautiful palla. See the palla. Lovely palla, and that is the body. The body is striking, completely striking. So that's the body, and see, like it drapes like a crepe. It just drapes like a crepe. Fabulous body, fabulous sari. And so this is the gorgeous ajrak body and the sari, and this is the blouse piece. this is the blouse piece. Beautiful blouse piece. So that's one in tussar. Two tussars, natural dye. So these are Dabu tussar prints. Absolutely desi tussar, absolutely tight and fit and coarse as pure tussar silk, pure desi tussar silk looks. So that's the palla, that is the palla. Very, very beautiful palla. It has kashish and indigo both, and it has effect of, so this is called a double dye because the base color, there is a base color also, and so this, and it is with a laborious technique. This kind of saris come with a laborious technique, and all done in Jaipur. So Dabu is a very, very Jaipur craft, done in Jaipur. It's completely our neighbor, so Delhi closest to Jaipur. So we keep doing these things. And so this is another sari, and that's the blouse piece. That is the blouse piece. Very, very beautiful blouse piece. One is this, then there is another indigo. So this is another sari in double dye, Dabu. Yeah. So this is another, this is another. So this has this kind of motifs. This Dabu has this mud resisted. Dabu has this mud resist, cracks comes like this is coming like this. So that is the palla, that is the palla. Beautiful palla. And the body, you see how, I do these things in cotton a lot or chanderi a lot. So this is in tussar. Lovely tussar silk sari in double dye Dabu. So that's the pleat, and so that is the pleat. So that's the whole body. This is the border, and this is the blouse piece. So that is the blouse piece. See how beautiful. All these natural colors looks like just effervescent and evergreen and effervescent. So that is another sari in Dabu, only indigo. This is only indigo. This is a kosa. This is a so this is a zari border tussar. In this, it is only in indigo. There is no kashish in this. This is only in indigo. Indigo on Dabu. So again a Dabu block on beautiful indigo combination, just indigo combination, just shades of indigo. So that is the body, the small motifs, the body. That is the palla, upper border, lower border. That's the whole sari. It's a big sari, large sari, and beautiful, lavish actually, lavish. So that's the pleats, and this is the blouse piece. Polka dot is the blouse piece. So we come to an end of this Ajrak video, whoever wants. And so these tussars and all are all the gearing up for the winters also, So thank you.